Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 3, broad question answer. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 3, broad question 1, 2 and 3. And this is lecture number 10 and today's HW number is 8 number HW. So dear students, let's start the class. I have written here 3 broad question and answers of chapter 3. And the name of this chapter is soil. Here is broad question 1. Soil pollution happens when people introduce harmful materials directly or indirectly into the soil. How we can prevent soil pollution? Explain. Answer is soil pollution happens when people introduce harmful materials directly or indirectly into the soil. Here are the good practices that we can do to prevent soil pollution. A number point is we should take out garbage in specific places. B number point, we should use organic fertilizer such as composts in the crop fields. C number point, reduce, reuse and recycle something. D number point, the use of pesticides should be reduced. E number point, forests and gardens should be preserved and these should be increased too. Now broad question number 2. People use soil for growing plants. Why is soil important to living things? Answer is soil is one of the most important resources in the world. Plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Plants grow in soil. Animals eat plants to get energy. People use soil in their life in different ways. Some uses of soil are given below. 1 number point, agriculture. People use soil for growing plants. 2 number points, buildings. People make houses and buildings on soil. 3 number points, arts and crafts. Soil is used for making pottery that can create kitchen goods. Students, now broad question 3 number. Soil is polluted by different human activities. How can we conserve soil? Answer is soil conservation is a protection of soil from erosion or the maintenance of soil fertility. Soil erosion occurs when topsoil is removed by wind and water. It results in the loss of fertile soil and less ability of holding water. The ways to conserve soil are as follows. 1 number point here is plants play an important role in preventing soil erosion by their roots. 2 number point is here, we should not destroy forests and gardens. And the 3 number point here is we have to planting more trees and growing grasses on land. So dear students, it was our today's topic. Now HW. Our today's HW number is 8 number HW. And your HW will be, here is 3 broad question. Your HW will be 2 number broad question and answer. That means this one, BQ2. It will be your HW. So I am repeating your HW. This is 8 number HW and your HW will be dot question number 2. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy and submit your HW on every Saturday. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.